Moving on, self-proclaimed Yesu wa Tongaren will be a guest of the state for the next 4 days. Now, this is after the High Court in Bungoma gave the green light for his incarceration pending investigations into his religious doctrines. The development comes as Milimani law courts shelved a ruling seeking to have Pastor Ezekiel Odero bank accounts unfrozen. The verdict will be delivered next week, Wednesday.
The crackdown on individuals suspected to be engaged in unorthodox preachings continued, with the courts now granting the green light for the arrest of self-proclaimed Yesu wa Tongaren. The man who professes to be Jesus, flanked by his followers, walked into Bungoma local
that this matter is in public domain.
Shortly after, he would remain behind as a guest of the state after Principal Magistrate Tom Orlando gave the nod to detain him for 4 days to allow investigations into the activities of his church.
For the sake of the public interest, where it is said that there is danger of criminal activities that are taking place at the premises where he manages.
The court also ordered he undergoes a mental evaluation at Bungoma Referral Hospital and issued a search warrant for his rural home.
The suspect will be held at Bungoma Police Station for 4 days, and the prosecution to conclude their investigation within that period of time.
Eliud Wekesa Simeo, alias Yesu wa Tongaren, however, remains optimistic he will overcome his tribulations.
Maana kilicho na mwanzo kina mwisho pia, na mara nyingi unena nao ukanga mwororo haufi kabla haujakamilika. Miaka iliyopita ya kale pia niliitwa mwenda wazimu.
The matter is expected to be mentioned on the 16th of May 2023. Separately, Milimani Court Trial Magistrate Ben Makehobe has suspended Pastor Ezekiel Odero's application to have his bank account unfrozen pending a ruling scheduled for Monday 15th May 2023.
In the event that the High Court, in its supervisory powers, directs and dictates otherwise, then again we'll find squarely before you.
So we prefer that then perhaps, so that we save ourselves as well, this energy and you, the time. Let us just wait for the ruling then, so you can arrest this ruling.
The application by his lawyers filed before the Milimani Chief Magistrate Court seeks to quash orders freezing his bank accounts on grounds that the Directorate of Criminal Investigation, through the Office of the DPP, did not disclose that a similar application had been rejected by a court sitting in Shanzu, Mombasa.
And then probably the ruling will more or less progress away before we can take any further steps. Yeah. So Tuesday will be important.
Ruth Wamboy for Easy Friday.